guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? I know I have been MIA on YouTube for such a long time, and I'm so happy to be back, and you guys are going to get a lot of tutorials and a lot of makeup related videos. I just needed a short break, you guys, with everything that has been going on. It's so crazy to think about. As you've already read the title, in today's video I'm going to be sharing some amazing makeup hacks with you guys. This video is especially for those people who are always on the go, or you don't have a lot of time to play around with makeup, or you don't like spending time on your makeup, or you're just a lazy person. Me sometimes. So these are some hacks that you can use in your everyday makeup routine, which will make your life really easy, and you can get multiple uses out of one single product. I mean, don't we love that? Also, there are a lot of people who don't like buying 10 different products for 10 different steps, which is a good thing. You can get multiple uses out of one single product, and that's what I'm trying to show you guys in today's video. As you can see, this is the look that I've come up with. This is a very natural everyday makeup look, and this is what I usually do if I'm not going anywhere fancy. This is so easy. It's not going to take you more than 5 to 10 minutes to create this. In the future, when everything is back to normal and you're traveling somewhere and you cannot carry a lot of makeup products, you can easily follow these makeup hacks. I'm going to start off with foundation as always. If you want, you can totally skip foundation. It's up to you. Alright, so I blended out my foundation and I also did my brows off camera, and now I'm going to show you how you can use your lipsticks in 4 different ways. I personally love L'Oreal's Rouge Signature Matte Liquid Lipsticks, and I have been using them in multiple ways all over my face and not just on my lips. There are no rules to makeup, and you can be as creative as you want. I know so many people find it difficult to contour their face, and they're scared of cream contours or even powder contours and bronzers. With this hack, you're basically going to be able to contour your entire face with a lip tint or a liquid lipstick. It's super easy. I'm using the shade 130 I Amaze, which is a beautiful warm toned brown liquid lipstick. Now if you want, you can directly apply it on your cheeks with the wand, but I wouldn't recommend doing that. Take some on the back of your hand. And now for application, you can either use your bare hands, your brush, or your makeup sponge. It's completely up to you. I'm going to shear it out on my hand first, and then with very light pressure, I'm going to apply it on my cheeks like my normal cream contour. Do you guys see that? And the best thing about these lipsticks is that they're super long lasting and they're completely matte. Like, this stuff is not coming off your face for the entire day. What I really like about these lipsticks is that they don't dry down that quickly, so you have some time to work around with them. Now, hack number 2, you can use your liquid lipsticks or your lip tints as your blush. For that, I'm using the shade 121 I Choose. This is such a beautiful pink shade, and I'm going to take some on the back of my hand again and then apply it with my fingers. I'm also applying some on my nose. Alright, so now that a blush is on, I'm also going to contour my nose and my forehead with the same brown shade. And with very light pressure, I'm just going to contour my nose. Make sure you're not applying a lot of pressure. You want it to look natural. Now I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and highlight the bridge of my nose. Moving on to my forehead, I'm going to take the same brush. Make sure you don't use a lot of product, a little goes a long way. And there you have it. All the quarantine snacks need to be hidden, right? Moving on to hack number 3, you can also use your liquid lipstick or your lip tint as your eyeshadow. If you just want a wash of color all over your eyelids, oh my god, this is going to look so damn beautiful. It's going to give you that natural look and it's just flawless. And you can also use it as an eyeliner if you want, but I'm not doing that today. I want to use it as an eyeshadow and I'm using the shade 116 I Explore for that. As you can see, I've taken some lipstick on the back of my hand and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids using a brush. If you want, you can build up the pigment, but I'm not going for a very dramatic eye look today. I just want a wash of color on my eyes. Do you guys see how much difference that makes? Before we move on to the last step, make sure you clean all the lipsticks from your hand. If these lipsticks transfer on your clothes, you cannot get that stain off, so just be careful. Moving on to the last step, I'm going to use the same shade on my lips. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. As you can see, this is a very natural everyday makeup look. I'm not going to apply any eyeliner. I really love how this look has turned out, especially the blush. I am obsessed. I really like how natural this looks. It gives you a very nice flush of color on your cheeks. So that's how I use my liquid lipsticks in different ways, and these lipsticks specifically because they are a lip tint and these lipsticks are super long lasting, as I've already mentioned. So this is not going anywhere. This is going to stay on your face for the entire day, and you do need a makeup remover to take all this off. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something new today from this video. If you want me to film more makeup hacks, do let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to film such videos and share my makeup hacks, tips and tricks with you guys. So that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys pretty soon in my next video. So stay tuned for that. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, especially if you're new here. Don't leave without subscribing. Hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any videos that I upload. We are so close to 2.5k, you guys. The YouTube family is growing and I love it. I will be posting more tutorials in the coming weeks, and I have a very cool tutorial going up after this video, so stay tuned for that. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I've been posting a lot over there. I also posted the don't rush or pass the brush challenge. I had so much fun working on that video. We had a diverse set of influencers in our video and it was so much fun working with all of them. So make sure you check out that video. I will mention all the links in my description bar. I hope you guys are staying inside and staying safe. Take care of yourself and your loved ones, and we'll definitely get through this tough time together. All my social media handles will be mentioned in the description bar below, so follow me there, stay connected, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye you guys. But I personally prefer applying. Alright, swipe. And now and